It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
Like if we look at Gaikwad's, he was actually struggling this season. I think CSK should give him a break and maybe if needed then make him play in the later stages of the tournament. What do you say, Pragyan?
I think yes, he's struggling a bit, but I think they are backing him, and that is the way CSK plays their cricket. If they give someone a chance, they give them a fair amount of chance to prove them. They don't wait for the guy to fail. They give them chance to give that player a chance to flourish. I think that's the reason why all the guys who play for Chennai Super Kings and big teams like this turn out to be match winners. And I think it was a very clear message from MSD that all these guys will get their chances, and this is where they're getting their chances. And this is the second time he's got out similarly. So I think he's got a lot of thinking to do. Maybe, but as far as chances are concerned, I think MSD will give him enough chance so that he can prove himself.
Having said that, I mean, that was a good question in the sense, I would actually, I mean, yes, they won tonight. If they had lost tonight, then the clamor would be, what are you doing with Sam Curran at number 9? Now, Sam Curran is their go-to man. You know, he's better than MS. Let's be clear. On current form, he's better than Bravo. He's better than MS. He's better than anybody. Sam Curran on current form cannot bat number 9. Get him up. Get him up. I mean, you've got to do that. If you look at that lineup, Sam Curran on current form is better than many players, even Suresh Raina. Because of the bold shot to Suresh Raina, there is an issue there. So Sam Curran at number 9 is a waste. So Ruturaj Gaikwad, the fact that they've won tonight might save his spot. If they did not win tonight, the clamor would grow. Where is Sam Curran batting at this point in time?
Fair enough. The other thing they can look at, and as Pragyan said, I don't think they'll make that change, but they have an option like Robin Uthappa in there as well. And he's had a good Vijay Hazare tournament. He's done well in the domestic circuit, and he's a proven customer. And we're talking about somebody who's had the orange cap in the past. So they have that option as well. Just quickly with Rituraj, I think he's a touch player. He's somebody who believes in timing. His game is based on timing. He's not a power hitter. And just get a feeling last couple of games that he's trying to hit the ball too hard, rather than time it. And in that process is losing the shape and he's not really timing it well. So I think that's something that, just as Pragyan mentioned, he has to go back and think, why was he successful last season? And what is he doing differently this season?
And he could have gotten out first ball. Think about it. He could have gotten out first ball. So it's not as if he got drop chance. So there are plenty of things.
I think anybody could get out first ball. It is not that point. It is the team that they're thinking about. They're thinking about a team to build, and they know how Rituraj has done when nobody was doing well last year. And when you look at MS Dhoni's history, he's always backed that player. Once he starts backing, he will give you enough chances to prove yourself. And once he looks ahead of you, then he never looks back at you. So I think this is a golden chance for Rituraj Gaikwad. That's how he is. That is the naked truth.
But again, today at the toss, I think there was enough hints. The fact that what he mentioned at the toss about Ruturaj, about good balls, there is enough hint there. Go do it. Otherwise, we will look beyond, because there was enough hint there in that one statement from MS. And again, the repeat. In fact, that was what was the exact statement, Deep? Were you there? You were there at the ground. What was the exact statement? That good balls, etc., etc.
So, he said if you get out to good balls, you can't do much. But
So there is enough hint there.